Is your kitty smoke alarm constantly going off for no reason? Don't ignore it. False alarms are often due to dust, a low battery, or end of life issues. First, clean the alarm's chamber. Turn it off, remove the battery, and gently vacuum or blow out dust with compressed air. Avoid liquids. Next, replace the battery with a fresh, high quality lithium battery like a Kidde 9 volts. Finally, test the alarm by pressing the test button. If these steps don't solve the problem, or if your alarm is over 10 years old, it might be time for a replacement. If basic cleaning and battery replacement don't resolve your kitty smoke alarm issues, advanced solutions can help prevent future false alarms. First, consider relocating your smoke alarm. Move it away from kitchens where cooking smoke can trigger false alarms, bathrooms with steam, and dusty areas that accumulate debris. For hardwired kitty models, inspect the wiring connections. Loose connections can cause intermittent issues that lead to false alarms. Upgrade to newer Kidde smart alarms that use machine learning to distinguish real smoke from false triggers, reducing nuisance alarms by up to 50%. Consider switching to photoelectric or dual sensor alarms, which are less sensitive to cooking smoke and dust compared to older ionization models. Remember, ignoring persistent false alarms can desensitize the sensor, potentially causing you to miss real fires. Test your alarms monthly to ensure they work properly.